So in this video, I'm doing the rubber band method. Right now, I am sectioning my hair. I do this prior to install, although I've already started some of the braids because this isn't a method that I typically do on myself. And then after I get all the rubber bands installed, I will add jam to the mid shaft and ends as I go, because that just helps the hair stay inside of the braid and I won't have flyaways. And I just noticed that sectioning prior to adding in the braids makes it a quicker process. This took me approximately I stuttered there. This took me approximately 3 hours to do this style. It's not a style that I typically wear, so stay tuned. So now I'm doing the one loop method, and I add the hair in and I actually separate the synthetic hair as I braid. So you will see that because I'm doing it up close, and I'm going to put it in slow motion so you can see in grand detail how that is installed. And I noticed that I've noticed that the rubber band is still showing, but that's only because these braids are actually smaller, and I didn't wear this style for more than a week, so I actually used jewels on that part to just cover the rubber bands when they did show, because in some of my braids they did not. But thanks for watching, and I hope this is helpful. So I'm just going to elaborate a bit more. So I wrap the hair around the rubber band, and then I begin to braid. And then as I braid, I separate it. But in that part, I actually messed up a bit, so I restarted. So it's gonna be wrapped around the braid, and then I'm going to braid it and separate the braid as I go. See right here, I am splitting it into 3 sections, and that is how I do that. But then I did not like this braid very much because it just looked kind of lumpy to me, I guess. So I did end up restarting this one. But essentially, that is how it is installed. It's just a matter of making it neat for me and keeping the hair, like my real hair, in place. But other than that, that's how you install the braids for the rubber band method. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new content.